Ah, hey, beautiful. Hey, beautiful. I got you. Well, how you doing? Well, how you doing over there? All right. Oh, you like figs? There go your girlfriend. Hey. Oh, where did he go? Oh, she's back there getting something. Mm-hmm. Boom. Oh well. They enjoying life. Hello, y'all. Look at this. Yeah. So I'm gonna tell you the name of this grass. I just can't think of it, but it's like Velcro, and it just grows everywhere. So I have this little lemon tree over here, and she's doing so much better. She's trying to live a good life. Between this grass growing all over her, are elderberries popping up all around her. She's trying to live her life. So I'm just trying to get all of this grass from off of her, which I hate it. I hate it, y'all. It stick to you like Velcro. That's what it does. So, shoot. Oh, look at that. God darn, one of her limbs are broken. Shoot. Shoot to shoot. But she's growing beautifully. She's really doing well over here. She was just a little thing over here, and I put her in the ground, and Ben cut her one year, and yeah, y'all know. I yeah, I gave a couple of words, but anyway, he's careful now. But anyway, she's trying to bounce back, and then she have all of this growing all over her. So I think what I want to do is I'm gonna get Ben to cut all of this grass from back here, and I'm gonna put some garden fabric down because it's not gonna stop. It's not gonna stop. Yeah, look at that. Something been eating on her. But then she had all these just disgusting grass all over her. I seen it on her, and but I have to get it. So look at the elderberries. See, the elderberries just go wild. So I'm gonna cut a lot of them down. Yeah. But anyway, guys, it is in the evening, and the sun has lost a lot of her punch. Thank goodness. This is another lemon I have it, but she's in a container. Look at this. Huh? Yeah. There's flowers on a lot of them. Let's see if I can get over there and see. Right there is more flowers coming. So I just want to try to help them. All right, guys. All right, guys. So I jumped in my car and I went over to the Dollar Tree. And this is just two links of those fencing they have over there. Yep, and I just put this on her, and hopefully this keep her safe from all things. I hope. It is late in the evening on a Friday. I've been having a wonderful day. Wonderful day. Yeah. All is well, and look at this. All the roses are coming up. They are just looking so cool. So cool. Everything is growing well. But I wanted to talk to you all about something that happened to me. And listen, it's all because of two things, right? The timing and weather. That's what it is. For the entire year of 2021 into today, which is April 1, 22, I have had something growing in my garden the full 4 seasons for 2021. The full 4 seasons. So I have said many times, talking to you all on my lives, that look at the lights coming on. Talking to you on my lives, that this is the way my grandparents and the people of my neighborhood, when I grew up, this is how they grew. We always had something growing in the garden, always. Well, for the first time in a long time, I have had a full 4 seasons of gardening here in my garden, right? So I've had some frost on vegetables and I've shared them. But my vegetables, they did well. They did really good. And they taste good too. Yeah. But there was always something growing in this garden. Always. There is another thing, looking back on my 2021 up to this fourth month of this year, 2022. I realized that sometimes, every there's only a certain time of year that I can grow tomatoes because I don't use greenhouses, right? Uh, Everything I grow is outside. So I grow the way they grew years ago, right? The way my grandparents grew. When my grandparents um, were sitting in the house and they wanted tomatoes, definitely my grandmother, she canned some tomatoes, but I'm talking about like a fresh tomato for a salad. We couldn't have that fresh tomato for a salad because, yeah, it was fall, right? So I went back to growing foods that I can grow in the seasons in which God created them to grow. So I began to grow the way my grandparents grew. They grew things when it was in season. Another thing is these, these guys, right? This is celery. Look at this celery. She is just big and healthy and strong, you know? And I always have these guys, which is curly parsley. This is the parsley I love. Celery. Having the food growing in my garden every day, the foods in which I use and eat every day, this is my start, and this is what I mimic from my grandparents and the people in my world when I was growing up as a kid. I will have some type of green onions or leeks or shallots growing in my garden at all times. At all times, they will be there. Yeah. So, this is my mandarin orange tree. Look at this. She's putting on flowers. Yeah. Look at that. Go, girl. So, I I am just excited by um, everyday family. Every day. This is a this is a melatonin. That's what that is. That's melatonin. But every day, I'm talking every day of the week, I eat lunch from this garden. Yeah. And many times my lunch is also my dinner. Yeah. So this is just some of the vegetables I have in grow bags. It's just some beets, some kale, and this is my Jamaican sorrel. Yeah, that's Jamaican sorrel, and yeah, a lot of them they germinated, and that's all that's important, right? Yeah, to get them up. And in this bed is some sage that's been there. This is my spinach that I harvest from. That's my spinach. So this will be my lunch today, family. So usually the meal is spinach with boiled eggs and crispy bacon. You can also use turkey bacon if you like. But today for me, I'm just going to use my spinach and boiled eggs. That's going to be my lunch today. So I clean my spinach really well. I made a vinaigrette with some olive oil and vinegar, and some seasoning in it, and of course boiled eggs. Yeah, I put 2 boiled eggs in my little bowl, and I kept 1 for dinner. But anyway, that's my bowl. This is some of my lemon, my dehydrated lemon that I did, lemon powder. This one doesn't have pepper in it. It's just straight up lemon powder. And this is my vinaigrette I just kind of put together for today. That's for later. Yeah. But this evening I'm gonna fry up some turkey bacon for that one, because this was good. Yeah, it was good, but yeah, it was definitely missing that bacony flavor. So if you eat regular bacon or turkey bacon, this would go great in there. Just fry it up nice and crunchy and sprinkle it on this family. Bomb, 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 bomb. So good. But this meal was really good, and it gave me a lot of energy. I felt great. Yeah. That's it, family. That's it. So I want to thank you all so much for hanging out with me today. I had a wonderful day. I mean, the day was just beautiful. As I said, these are the kind of days we have been looking for. So God has blessed us with it. So let's just enjoy it. So as you saw when I came out, I had no shoes, no shame. I was having a ball in the garden. All right, guys, you all do the same. Later, y'all.